Sakshi Gupta, and I'm currently working as Senior Executive Actuarial in the insurance industry. But again, I was going through the website, and the website showed data science classes, and the packages were very, very good. So I went with the entire data science package because the softwares were very, very good. So I ended up taking up IB anyways. Over the year, it's been almost a year since I've been learning at IB, and the major impact which has happened using these courses was that I had a lot of questions asked from these softwares, because obviously I mentioned that in my CV as well. So Excel, SQL, R, Tableau, we use it quite a lot in the office as well. And the course curriculum is very extensive, and it helps us a lot in the long run as well, because even in the interview what had happened, they had asked me questions on joins in SQL, how much do I know about pivots in Excel, and how much do you know about different courses as such in data science also, because in actuarial science we use a lot of softwares for analytics as well. So most of the softwares I learned at IB are being used in actuarial science. So it helped me cross a lot of interview questions in the technical round. So that was very helpful for me. Plus, the course is so good. They give us a lot of assignments. They give us a lot of a lot of guidance for things like how do you present the project, how do you analyze it in a deeper way. So the faculty used to clear our doubts very immediately, even in 2 to 3 hours. In fact, during the lecture, the doubts got cleared maximum of the times. And if we had any doubts regarding the projects which were given, if we addressed it on the WhatsApp group, they were cleared. So for any person who wants to sit for an interview for future references, keep in mind that whatever you're putting in CV, you're very thorough with it, because in the end, when they ask you, they don't know anything about you. When they look at your CV, they ask you questions regarding what's there in your CV. So if you're putting an Excel project or you're putting any R project we've done in IB, make sure that you remember the conclusions or remember what you've done in that project, because in the end, that's what they look at. Because in the end, the interviewers look for determination and the fact that you can actually apply what you've learned. I would definitely recommend IB to a lot of friends. I actually already do, in fact, because in the current world where we're headed right now, the economy and the world economy per se is all about data. If you're not, everything around us data, and if you can analyze any data, you're pretty much good to go for the at least next 5-6 years, because after that probably machine might take over the crunching part of it. But if you can analyze the data and what the data shows you, that the computer can't say. So if you can understand that, I'm pretty sure anything is, in the foreseeable future, you can do anything pretty much. So it's easier that way. So I recommend a lot of people to, go for data science, learn softwares as much as possible, because in the office, you have to apply the softwares in the long run anyways. Even if it's a basic Excel. Excel is used in every company possible, whatever industry you're in. So basic minimum Excel and SQL data management is such a crux of all the industries, because in the end, all the business have to maintain their data, irrespective of whatever business they are in. So learning any software is very important. So I recommend all my friends that, you should do all the softwares possible, and IB has been a very good platform anyways. And the online classes didn't even feel like they're online. They're like just amazingly as good as offline classes. So it was not even, it felt like normal classes anyway. So IB has been a very nice platform for anybody who wants to, pursue data science or just understand the softwares for any industry.